Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make this fake 3D animation. At first, you need well-designed vector base file. Here is my tent vector. Let's hide other layers for now. Right-click on tent layer and create shape from vector layer. As you see, there are several different groups. But don't panic. Keep the main layer. Move the vector to see the difference. Sometimes colors change when you create a vector from shape, especially when they have different opacity or mode. Select layer, and in the search box, type path. Press stopwatch next to path and create a keyframe for it. Move time indicator to about 40 frames later. Select front part, press Ctrl key to have a bounding box and do the following. When the tent is turning, you will experience different point of view of each side. As you see, some parts needs more attention. Locate tent pins as needed. Select vertexes that need to be changed, press Ctrl key, and simply move them. Press N to limit time frame and watch the result. Select all the keyframes that are made. Notice that some of the vertexes are not changed, so they don't have second keyframes. Press Shift page down 4 times to move 40 frames forward and paste them. As the keyframes are selected, right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Time Reverse Keyframes. Good. Let's bring back the other layers. At first, black bush. Parrot grasses to bush. We need to move all object at the same time as tent, so let's make marker at selected times. Press K to move time indicator to next keyframe and click on marker icon. Press P, create keyframe for current position. When tent is turning, I want the bush to move out. Copy keyframes at second proper time, paste and reverse them. Move grass anchor points to the end of stems. Select them, press R, make keyframe at time 0. When the bush starts moving, turn them to left, and when they are completely out of scene, turn rotation back to 0. Again, when they are coming inside, we need a rotation to right. Like this. Hide them and bring back the other layers. Let's work on bow and fire. parent stones to fire. Set position keyframe for fire. At first marker, move fire to the right. Copy and paste enter reverse keyframes for next moves. I want to set scale in X direction, to show the moving process. We have a hiding stone. When this layer is getting thinner, hiding stone will show up. Again, copy, paste, reverse. Maybe changing stone position can make it better. Let's work on bow. Again we need a fake rotation. Right-click, create vector from shape. As you see, and I mentioned before, sometimes we need to correct the coloring. Select shape and search for path. Select all paths and create keyframe. Select the incorrect part and change its color. You would have problem in shadows and different opacities. Select the vertex that you want, press Ctrl T, and change the shape as you want. Copy the keyframe and reverse them for next move. I think it's better move the shape a little. Everything is good for now. Let's add other details. In my design, other layers just change in 2D direction. For this little green part I set the position keyframe. Don't forget that before making any change, set the first keyframe. In our design everything are moving back to their first position. You need to be patient and pay attention to all details. parent trees to green bushes. They have a simple move in the same direction, so parenting can be time-saving. Last part is the sky. Background shadow should have changed in scale. Don't forget to uncheck the chain next to scale. We need to scale the shape in just one direction. Let's check everything. Good. But we need some edit and speed graph. Select all layers, and press U. Select all the keyframes. Press F9 to easy ease them. And go to Graph Editor. Edit all the values like this. Now we have a different moving style on shapes. And that's the final result. Thanks for watching this video.